If you open the access role form, for each class, you can define whether a user can read instance, write instance, delete instance, read rules, write rules. These all things you can define them. This is called as access of role to object, because access role plus a class we are associating with that. Then it becomes access role plus object. Class is an object. This is the access role actually. Then it is called as ARO, access of role to object. Here, instead of directly specifying yes or no, we can mention the level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Read instance 5 or 4, write instance 5. What is this level we will see now. So whatever level you mention, it will come here. For access control in system type, administrator and define the operator access and permission user has to make changes to the system. We can give values from 0 to 5. Production levels control the types of permitted changes and specify the purpose of the environment. For example, maybe you want to give the access in lower environment like development system, but you don't want to give the access in higher environment like production system. Then after deploying the code from development to production, again you need not go and change these values. And so these are the standard values for different systems. Sandbox environment, the product system level is 1, development server system is 2, QA system product level is 3, staging system means 4, production system highest level, actual production go live environment production level is 5. So say for example, if we want to configure more permissive access control to users to support debugging in development system, but such access we don't want to give in production system, we want to give more restrictive access in production system, but these values we are not going to change, which we specify in the form in production system. That can be achieved using these levels. So we can grant permissions on a scale from 1 to 5. So here you can give different values 1 to 5. Once you submit, you can see those values here. Also, if you want, you can add a new class. You can also add different privileges. And what is the level of that privilege? We are associating these roles and privileges with levels. Level means level 0 means sandbox environment, level 1 means development environment, those levels. So when we give those levels in the rule form, it is like we are granting permissions on a scale from 1 to 5, where the value corresponds to a possible production level that can be seen from this table. So if we specify a value of 0, it means like denied. 0 means 0, no access, deny the action. Irrespective of the environment, deny the action. Access is granted when the access control value is greater than or equal to the production level setting. So if you give say 1 in the rule form, we need to grant access when the access control value, that is 1 which I have given, is greater than or equal to the production level setting. 1 is greater than or equal to production level setting sandbox. So in sandbox it can run. Whereas if you give 1 in the rule form, but for development system, by default the production level for any development server will be 2. But that value is less than 2 here, not greater than or equal. So we cannot access in dev, QA server, staging and production we can't access. We can access only in sandbox environment. Say for example, if we give 3 in the rule form, it means we can grant access if the production level of the server in which your code is there is greater than or equal to this setting. So like it is used for that. Access is granted when the access control value which you mention in the form should be greater than or equal to the production level setting. So if you see in staging, you will not have access. In production, you will not have access because 4 and 5 are greater than 3. You can have access only in these 4 systems. So we can give access based on the system. So same code you are deploying into staging, then you will not lose the access. But same code in QA system, you can have the access. Thank you.